Jyoti Kumar ji, thank you very much for talking to us. It's really inspiring in the way that you're doing this work with women entrepreneurs. You are making women entrepreneurs out of partners and mothers of your employees who are in remote locations. Let's do a deep dive into the ABHA program. Tell us a little bit about what led to the setting up of ABHA program.
Thank you, Rika ji, for giving us an opportunity. While I'm speaking, I am representing those women entrepreneurs who have come forward.
The ally, it's the ally in you.
So that is a big change in the making,
Hmm.
which is going to happen and contribute in the society in a big way. The way it has been thought by our management, there was a lot of thinking. Essentially, it has happened because two big reasons were there. Two big reasons. One, the feeling of those young and budding employees who were working at remote locations and their wives, spouses, they used to have a lot of capabilities in themselves but were not getting an opportunity. And that opportunity could have caused a big change in their not only their life but also the community's life. So that was one challenge. Second thing that has happened, and in fact, it has led the entire movement to take its shape, and it has happened for the first time in the oil and gas sector. One of the company, GAIL India Limited, is one of the top oil and gas company working in the domain of natural gas and taking forward small idea like this to a bigger scale is really a matter of concerted effort of the management, top management. The entrepreneur, the startup movement of government of India, it is such a visionary movement that it also gave us ray of hope
Okay,
for how to build up, how to structure these things and move forward.
got it.
And this is how we took it. And in two remote locations, but large locations of GAIL India Limited, one was in Pata, which is located in district Auraiya in Uttar Pradesh, and another was Vijaypur, district Guna, Madhya Pradesh. These two locations are very important locations for us, but they are little remote locations. And now things are moving, they're happening in a much better way. But these kind of concepts,
Hmm.
I'm sure, is going to give lot many opportunity and take care of the challenges that they are going to face. So this entire program was structured in 5 layers.
Sir, I just before we do a deep dive into the program itself, I'll have to ask you about the two cohorts in Pata and Vijaypur, 29 and 13 respectively.
Yeah.
Any reason behind keeping the cohorts so small and tight?
It was first of all, this was a kind of pilot project,
Okay.
and this pilot project, we wanted to see how it is working,
Mm-hmm.
the workability and its efficacy and its
Hmm.
nurturing ability, and how it is going to move forward in a scale.
Got it.
It was going to take some time,
Hmm.
so that was one big reason for taking this as a small group.
So, will you tell us about the 5 steps through which you take the
Yeah,
entrepreneurs
the
through?
5 layer programs was structured first of all, and we started engaging these ladies by giving presentation, by calling them, inculcating the feeling of entrepreneurship among them, and their feeling was slowly shaped into kind of presentations that they started making.
Right.
They were engaged in workshops, and with the help of top professionals of this field, we had taken help from IIT Madras this year for this batch for both Patha and Vijaypur. They came, they gave presentation, they motivated them, and with this, they started coming forward.
Hmm.
And in a different workshops, they got generalized,
Hmm.
formalized, because initially it happens that many people come forward,
Hmm.
but whether these people are going to have
The zeal and the
this zeal
passion
and
to.
passion and everything to move forward in a manner, it should be seen as a structured entrepreneurial program for future movement. So that was the kind of skilling up was given through these professionals, ITNs, the faculties of IIT Chennai.
So, one final question: how many sectors are you training these ladies in?
See, it depends on how many are interested in doing what kind of product marketing services. Many things are there. So many of them are interested in cooking because cooking is something that they feel that they
Food.
can do. Yeah, food and all. but education for the children, toy making, small articles for the gift and all. Similarly, there are many big concepts that, because this is a journey of in business, e-commerce has given them lot of opportunity.
Got it.
Everybody has got lot of opportunity. So people have started feeling that their model, their thought model is going to work in a scale through the help of this e-commerce. So I think there are quite a number of entrepreneurship areas. Education is also one of them. Nursing for the children, and the community development, fashion things like apparels, dress and materials, and all, toy making, and of course, as I told you, the services like cooking and food business, cheese and all, which is going to have longer period of times. Like perishability is not going to be a big question. So those things are seen properly, and many of them are taking their cultural facets of their
Right.
upbringing, and do making use of that. They are also scaling up. Like for example, one lady from Assam,
Hmm.
because the husband is working there in Pata. So she come out with a kind concept of making Nolen gur out of dates. So now these things are very seasonal aspect, seasonal things. This is not going to happen forever. The shortage of the product, shortage of supply chain is a big question. So, but they know how to do it for all weather kind of supplies. So
Right.
these things are coming as a big idea,
Hmm.
and it's coming as big idea because of the cultural facet, cultural aspect of that region.
Very
They are going
interesting.
to do it in a different place. So these are very
So,
interesting
for you
things.
who've run this ABHA program now for the first 1 year, what has been your three big learnings, say,
That
or maybe one big learning?
that if you handhold capable people, they'll definitely flourish. The kind of confidence they have shown in a period of 1 year, and the kind of presentation they make, and the kind of enthusiasm they have doing something big, something new, something which will make them different, amazing. We have seen it, and we have seen it very closely, and in a different opportunity we provided them for giving presentation, we realized that they are doing absolutely astounding. So in one of the work center where the final program was happening in, it was happening before one of our topmost bureaucrat, secretary petroleum and natural gas business, and when he saw it, it was so prompt, impromptu response that he came out with, that I don't know why you are doing only for gain. This is a concept which is going to be very good for everyone. All the companies of the oil and gas sector should be doing, because they are mostly located in different remote
Remote
locations and all that.
location, yeah.
So see, this is the beauty where my director HR and chairman has really thought, so their insight on these things was so thoughtful. So I must give credit to them, the management, because the encouragement and the belief among the people is actually from their side. We are there to just give our part of job, part of help, but unless we get proper
Hand
directions
holding,
from
yeah.
them and right direction, it will be very difficult.
Intent from the management,
Yes,
big part of
yes,
the journey. Thank you very much, sir. The job that you're doing is an incredibly difficult job of transforming lives. May you have the light
it's very
of,
fulfilling. Let me tell you, it's very
yeah,
fulfilling. It's very enthusing. It's very encouraging.
yeah, may you have
Thank
the
you.
light passion to go on and keep doing it. Thank you.
Thank you so